10 award-winning Amazon kitchen gadgets that will make your life easier. Imagine effortlessly making fresh, homemade yogurt with the Bare Yogurt Maker, quickly boiling water for your favorite tea with the electric gooseneck kettle, or easily draining and rinsing fruits and veggies using the over-the-sink colander strainer basket. These smart kitchen gadgets are designed to simplify meal prep, save time, and keep your space organized. As always, links are in description. Let's dive in. Smoothie blender. This smoothie blender is perfect for making quick, healthy drinks. Whether blending fruits, vegetables, or ice, its powerful motor ensures a smooth consistency every time. With a compact design, it fits easily on any countertop and is simple to store. The portable cup allows you to take your smoothie on the go, making it perfect for busy mornings or post-workout refuels. Cleaning is effortless. Just rinse with water and you're done. It's great for protein shakes, fresh juices, and even baby food. The durable stainless steel blades blend everything evenly, ensuring no chunks remain. Its one-touch operation makes it user-friendly, even for beginners. If you love making fresh and delicious beverages, this blender is a must-have for your kitchen. Bare Rice Cooker. The Bare Rice Cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking rice. Whether you prefer fluffy white rice, hearty brown rice, or delicious porridge, this cooker ensures perfect results every time. Its advanced heating technology distributes heat evenly, preventing undercooked or mushy rice. The compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or dorms. The non-stick inner pot ensures hassle-free cleaning, while the keep warm function maintains freshness for hours. With one-touch operation, even beginners can cook perfectly. The included accessories like a measuring cup and rice paddle make preparation even easier. Its energy-efficient design saves power, making it cost-effective. If you want convenient, perfectly cooked rice with minimal effort, this Bare Rice Cooker is a great addition to any kitchen. Double induction cooktop. The double induction cooktop offers efficient, high-speed cooking with a sleek, modern design. Featuring 2 burners, it allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously, making meal prep faster and easier. Induction technology heats cookware directly, reducing energy waste while ensuring even heat distribution. With precise temperature controls, you can simmer, saute, boil, or sear with accuracy. The touch panel is easy to use, and the smooth surface makes cleaning effortless. Safety features like automatic shutoff and child lock provide added peace of mind. Compatible with a variety of cookware, it's versatile for different cooking needs. The compact, lightweight design makes it portable and perfect for small kitchens or RVs. If you need fast, efficient cooking, this induction cooktop is an excellent choice. Electric gooseneck kettle. The electric gooseneck kettle is designed for precision pouring, making it perfect for coffee and tea lovers. Its ergonomic spout provides a steady flow, allowing you to achieve the ideal pour-over coffee or perfectly steeped tea. The stainless steel body ensures durability, while the rapid heating element brings water to the perfect temperature in minutes. With an easy-to-use control panel, you can select your desired temperature, ensuring the best flavor extraction. The cool touch handle and auto shut-off feature add safety and convenience. Its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it easy to handle and store. Whether you're a barista or just love a good cup of tea, this gooseneck kettle ensures a precise pour every time for the perfect brewing experience. Baby Food Maker. The Baby Food Maker simplifies meal prep for parents, allowing you to make fresh, healthy baby food in minutes. This all-in-one appliance steams, blends, and reheats, ensuring your baby gets the best nutrition. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to use, even for busy parents. The BPA-free materials ensure safety, while the compact design fits neatly on any countertop. You can create a variety of purees, from fruits to vegetables, with precise texture control. Cleaning is hassle-free, thanks to its detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. With a quiet motor and fast operation, it helps parents save time while preparing nutritious meals. If you want a safe, efficient way to make fresh baby food, this is a must-have appliance. Bare Yogurt Maker. The Bare Yogurt Maker allows you to make fresh, homemade yogurt with ease. It ensures the perfect fermentation process, giving you creamy, probiotic-rich yogurt every time. With adjustable temperature controls, you can customize the texture and tartness to your liking. The compact design fits neatly in any kitchen, making it easy to store when not in use. The machine operates quietly, so you can leave it running overnight without disturbance. The BPA-free containers ensure safety, while the easy-to-clean design makes maintenance simple. You can also experiment with flavors by adding fruit, honey, or granola. Whether you prefer Greek yogurt, regular yogurt, or plant-based options, this yogurt maker provides a hassle-free way to enjoy fresh, homemade yogurt with minimal effort. Kosori Air Fryer. The Kosori Air Fryer transforms the way you cook by offering a healthier alternative to deep frying. Using rapid air circulation technology, it cooks food evenly while reducing oil usage by up to 85%. The spacious basket accommodates large portions, perfect for families or meal prepping. With multiple cooking presets, you can fry, bake, roast, or reheat with just one touch. The digital control panel makes operation simple, while the non-stick basket ensures effortless cleanup. The sleek design complements any kitchen, and the compact size makes storage easy. Whether making crispy fries, chicken wings, or even desserts, this air fryer delivers delicious results with less fat. If you want tasty, healthier meals with minimal effort, this air fryer is a game changer. Kitchen Sink Organizer. The Kitchen Sink Organizer keeps your countertop neat by providing dedicated space for sponges, brushes, and dish soap. Its compact design maximizes storage without taking up too much space. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it withstands daily use in wet conditions. The open drainage system prevents water buildup, keeping everything dry and hygienic. With compartments for different cleaning tools, it helps keep your kitchen tidy and efficient. The non-slip base ensures stability, even in wet environments. It's easy to assemble, making installation quick and hassle-free. Whether you need space for scrubbers, dishwashing liquid, or towels, this organizer keeps everything within reach. If you want a more organized and clutter-free sink area, this storage solution is a must-have. Over-the-sink colander strainer basket. The over-the-sink colander strainer basket makes washing fruits, vegetables, and pasta easier than ever. Designed to fit over your sink, it provides a convenient way to rinse and drain ingredients without using extra bowls. The extendable arms adjust to different sink sizes, ensuring a secure fit. The durable material resists wear and tear, making it a long-lasting kitchen essential. The perforated surface allows for quick drainage while preventing food from slipping through. Whether you're straining pasta, washing leafy greens, or draining canned beans, this colander simplifies the process. It's lightweight and easy to store, making it a great addition to any kitchen. If you want a space-saving and practical strainer, this is the perfect choice for you. Fat separator. The fat separator is an essential tool for making healthier gravies, sauces, and soups. It efficiently separates fat from liquids, ensuring a smooth and lean final product. The built-in strainer filters out unwanted particles, while the easy pour spout prevents messy spills. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant materials, it withstands hot liquids without warping. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use. Whether you're preparing homemade broths or rich, flavorful sauces, this separator helps reduce fat for a healthier meal. The measurement markings allow for precise pouring, ensuring perfect consistency. Cleaning is quick and effortless thanks to its dishwasher-safe design. If you want a simple way to make healthier, fat-free sauces and soups, this tool is a kitchen essential. And that's a wrap. These innovative kitchen gadgets are designed to make your cooking experience smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. From effortlessly blending smoothies to cooking the perfect rice and making homemade yogurt, these tools bring convenience to your kitchen. Why struggle with outdated methods when you can upgrade with smart, efficient solutions? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen finds. Don't miss out on our next video filled with more game-changing gadgets. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.